And your interest on the debt prohibits you from ever paying down your debt. But when have we ever been able to grow our way out of the deficit? When does that ever happen? We had a slight.
Never. You inflate yourself out of the deficit.
And even then, you don't really inflate yourself out of a deficit because you have an adjustable rate mortgage on your debt. So if you finance all of your debt in the very short end of the yield curve, like the United States does, then you have to roll over that debt more often. Well, if I'm inflating my way out of the debt and inflation spikes, I'm rolling over that debt at much, much higher interest rates. And your interest on the debt prohibits you from ever paying down your debt. I mean, it's already over $1 trillion. It's the second largest budget item that we have, even ahead of defense. So no, I don't think you can inflate your way out of the debt. What you can do is cut spending to get yourself out of debt, or reset the currency, or just default on the debt explicitly. That's one way to do it. I mean, our debt is 720% of our annual revenue. And we're not adding, you say, okay, wait. So the debt is 720% of our annual revenue. And you say, well, that's a pretty bad situation, but maybe we're at least paying down that debt slowly. Well, no, you're adding to that debt pile. You're adding 40% of your revenue, 40% of your revenue to that debt pile every year. So you don't have the revenue to make things better. You're making things worse every single year. That's why we're in big trouble with the bond.